Hi everyone, this is Team 2, and my name is Wenxuan Wu. Now let me introduce my teammates for you guys. So it's JD, Alicia, Brandon, and Nathan. So next slide, please. Okay, so for today, I will focus on the ChatGPT. What is a ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence bot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. And for our goals is we hope that students of all grades can use the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is very popular and widely used product for now, but actually teacher and students had a little problem with ChatGPT. So for now, teacher want student to use the ChatGPT get some help. For example, the young kids always ask their teacher problem like why Earth is a circle, why we only have one sound, why we cannot have two sounds. For those basic questions, if the ChatGPT can help the little kids, teacher can solve in the time and also increase the student interest in learning. And also, students may need a ChatGPT to help them to filter the information they need. So with this mind, we have made some upgrades to ChatGPT to enable students at any level to use the ChatGPT success. Okay, so my mate will take in statement.
So moving to the need statement, in the past, I am a university student and I study at home, as we are already doing the presentation for help. I've been using ChatGPT in the past for my assignments, and recently I've been using it more for my internship applications to draft my cover letters. So I used to draft cover letters before. However, the cover letters weren't concise enough. So one day I just typed into ChatGPT, please draft a cover letter for my internship, and it did it, and it was really concise and well put for my internship. However, some students don't use it that way. Some students use it as a solution provider. They just take the solution from ChatGPT and then copy and paste and submit it into the assignments, which is not the right way to use it, which is why we came with a solution in order to tackle this problem. We decided to tackle middle schools and universities and help them integrate ChatGPT into the educational system to enhance student creativity and reduce the plagiarism rate, because the misuse of ChatGPT can lead to laziness, reduce the confidence level of the students, and also kill their critical thinking skills. So I will hand the mic.
Okay. Hello. Hi guys. Can you move to the next slide? Yeah. So this is what ChatGPT used to be before, and what we done was we wanted to ChatGPT to integrate it into the school system. So this is the new ChatGPT, and in this version, we introduced a student login page, and also we introduced two new features. One is the student login page, and the other one is the speech to speech and also text surveys. So for example, if a student wants to type anything, he can just ask ChatGPT verbally, and also if he wants to type, he can type it. So ChatGPT is integrated into the school's learning management system, which students can access through a web portal or even mobile app. But the final administrative power will be lies in the hands of the school administration. So the what we want to design, what we want to make ChatGPT is, we want to make ChatGPT into the artificial intelligence school assistant, teaching assistant. So it will revolutionize how students are going to learn in schools. Because if the students have any problem in any particular area, they can directly go into ChatGPT and they can learn by step, and they can understand typical problems, complicated problems. So the ChatGPT can also provide immediate feedback on practice problems and assignments. For example, if student submits an answer to a math problem, ChatGPT can grade it and provide feedback on what the students answer to a math problem, and ChatGPT can grade it. So, for example, if a student asks why the sun is round, can you go to the next slide? So here, the ChatGPT gives a very scientific answer in this manner, because the sun is round because it has intergravitational forces working, and there are the gases are very denser, and due to that the sun has the round shape. So the ChatGPT will give a very scientific answers, and the students' scientific interest will increase day by day, and they can have a various number of questions, and the teachers can check what the students are using the chat gpt for. So this is one of the main criteria we have introduced in our prototype. Can you go to the next slide? So these features, these are the new features we want to integrate into this chat gpt for the schooling system. And the privacy and the data security will also be in the hands of the school administration. And by doing this, we want to integrate chat gpt into the into this education system without any hurdles. And my friend Nitin will take on from here.
Thank you, Jaydeep. And I will go to the university version of ChatGPT. While coming to the university version of the ChatGPT, we have added a few features like staff login and students login, and it also eases students' approach to um, question regarding academics, admittance, and financial aid, while faculty and staff can use it for administrative and supportive purposes, and provides individualized assistance to students based on their requirements, thereby enhancing their overall experience, and also minimizes the workload of university staffs, allowing them to focus on their crucial responsibilities. And we have added few features like grammar checker for plagiarism checker, and articles paraphrasing tool. Mm, So for the paraphrasing tool, it also helps to rewrite text without changing its meaning. And for the article tool, it is this is highly helpful for reference and record purposes. For the plagiarism checker, it helps to spot plagiarism objectively and effectively. And my friend Lasya will continue the conclusion part.
The above all is our version. We hope that after this upgrade, ChatGPT can help students to a greater extent. And we also hope that every student can use ChatGPT in the right way. Every student should try to improve their independent thinking ability and expand their creativity. ChatGPT is just at the end of the day a software to help students because it contains nothing more than a database of the sum total of current technology and knowledge. However, we would not recommend that students solely rely on AI chatbots to complete their learning tasks. Thank you.